Okay, I have here the granite surface plate. I have two flat stones. Just gonna use to rub these surfaces a little bit to make sure that they are flat. I don't have any burrs or anything. Okay. Then I'm gonna use some alcohol to just clean this from the grits. Just rub it. You can see it here, black. Make sure it's clean. Now I'm gonna put blue dye. This is quite a lot quantity wise, but I'm in the rough scraping phase, so I'm not worried because there is too much of it now. As I go and I approach the point close to the final passes, I'll have less and less blue dye applied. And I know this because I have done it so many times. I have done it for this, and this surface grinder I have, it was all mating surfaces were fully scraped by me, because this machine is from 1940 something, like it's 60 years old. And now I have it. It's grinding flat on the full table 6 by 18 inches within 1/10. So I think I know it will work. So now I'm gonna go with this on the milling machine and take a print.